Today's gonna be a little bit of a candid video because your boy's feeling a little sick. And yeah, Mustang mug, Ford shirt, that's the only way to do it. So Valve is ending production and manufacturing of the LCD Steam Deck. This was the entry-level model, and when I made my initial Steam Deck video, I told you guys this is the one to get. But now it's all sold out, they're not making any more, and I'm gonna tell you guys why it's a blessing in disguise. I still love my LCD Steam Deck. I think it's a great buy, but now you have no choice but to get the entry-level OLED. And a lot of people were telling me this was the way to go. In my comment section of the previous video, a lot of you mentioned that the OLED Steam Deck has significantly better battery life, and that's the key word, significantly better. It's not just a little bit of an increase. People that have used both told me that it is a big improvement in battery life. There's a few reasons why the battery life is better on the OLED, and they all kind of bundle up together to then the end product of it being significantly better on battery life. The first is which it's using a more efficient 6 nanometer APU, so that allows for better efficiency, better thermals, less power consumption. Secondly, the OLED screen, when there's black pixels on the screen, they're off, so it contributes to a little bit better battery life there. And then the third of which, the battery itself is physically larger. So all these bundled together, you're getting an overall better battery life. All right, so why is this a blessing in disguise? I think because now you have no choice but to get the better device. The reason I went for the LCD was because I wasn't sure how much I'd use my Steam Deck, and I wasn't sure if I was going to rediscover gaming in the way that I did. And it did help me rediscover gaming. If I would have known that I'd be using it as much as I do and how it would be my main primary gaming device, I would have probably just opted for the OLED model, the base 512 OLED model. So that's why I think now, if you're considering the Steam Deck, that little extra $150 that from the difference between the LCD and the OLED, I think that money is very well spent on the OLED model. The reason I initially went with the LCD model is because I wasn't sure how much I was going to use the Steam Deck. I wasn't sure if that 150 extra bucks was worth it for a device I'm not sure I'm going to use. It's proven to be that I use it quite a bit actually, and it's my main primary gaming device, so I think it would have been well worth it. If time travel was a thing, and maybe when it's eventually a thing, I might go back to that initial video and tell myself, just buy the OLED. Just don't waste your time with the LCD. If I could go back and tell myself, like, look, dude, you're gonna use this a lot more than you think, I'd probably just opt for the OLED. So if you've been considering the Steam Deck and you're a little bit discouraged that now the LCD model's out, the entry-level price has jumped by $150, I'm here to tell you, as somebody who's used the LCD, has not used the OLED, but does understand the differences because of you guys in the comments, I think it's not the end of the world, and I think that you are getting a considerably better device. The enjoyment I've gotten from my LCD model, I see it only being better with the OLED. The colors are going to be better, the battery life is going to be better. You're getting a more refined device because they released the LCD, that was the OG, and then they've tweaked it, fine-tuned it, improved it, and that's where you get the OLED. So you are getting a better device all around. So that basically wraps up the video. Today was just a short and sweet discussion because I'm feeling a little bit sick, but let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this the end of the world? Do you think that they should have probably just kept manufacturing the LCD model because of that entry-level price? I mean, I don't think it could have hurt, but clearly Valve decided that it wasn't a good business decision. So let me know what you guys think. I have another Steam Deck video planned with a lot of tips that you guys actually gave me in my initial video, along with some accessories that are definitely well worth it for the Steam Deck. So if you're interested in that, subscribe, like, comment, just do all the good stuff. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace. God, it's killing me. Mustang cup. What you know about that?